Hi guys, another quick video to show you how we fitted the Agri box to a 2010 Barbarian engine, obviously. So on the passenger side, this is already fitted, but it's to give you an idea of where you need to connect to, because I didn't have the instructions to hand. So here we've got the boost gauge, so you've got your two leads, as you can see. You break the connection here, which is a simple press and pull. Connect it to the lead that comes off, so as you can see, boost into the existing loom, and then you connect the new connector into the boost gauge. The other one is a little more tricky, so I shall get my lights. What we've got is a little set of steps. It doesn't help that I'm 5 foot nothing. Cover on the wing so you don't scratch anything. Just place that out of the way. So right down the back of the engine, you can see I've got a little inspection light here. If you look right down underneath, hopefully I can get the phone in. What we're looking for is the back of the fuel rail, which is almost impossible to see underneath there. So if you go down, what we're doing is going in behind the battery box, down through where the dipsticks are, and right at the back I will try and point.